So we are at Five Below, and we're gonna grab a slime kit to make some slime. We have a whole section of toys. I think we're gonna grab this one right here. And maybe some other things. Ooh. They have pre-made slime that we can play with. Alright, you guys. Let's go to Emmy. There's Dad and Grandpa and Auntie.
No, se le están sanando, cuando se le sanen bien.
Okay.
Se lo hacemos.
Here's
Ay,
Emmy.
coño, va a doler más que
Emmy.
el
Hi, Emmy.
Le va a doler mucho eso a ella.
Ooh, what's that? For your keys?
You got keys?
Let's see, what do we have in here? Design your own, what is that? A unicorn / panda? This is a styling unicorn, so you can style its hair. We have a Frozen toy and a slime kit.
Babe, record this right here.
Let's see how good Dad is at playing soccer. Got it. Ooh.
Oh, wait for it.
What are you doing, Emmy?
She's catching me.
Come on.
Ow. OMG. Babe.
Ow, 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 ow. You're gonna get eyes in? Whoa, get him. Get him. Oh, you caught his leg. What about Titi? Go get Auntie. Go.
Wow. That hurt?
What about Daddy? Oh. Get him, Emmy, get him. Oh, you're stuck?
Okay, we trading?
You're gonna go zoom. You're hitting your dance Oh.
Where'd she go?
Other side.
Oh no.
Where's Grandpa? Uh-oh, Emmy's coming. Emmy, look at Grandpa. Look, he's waiting for you over there. Get him.
Get him.
Go. Okay guys, we're gonna head to the next store and we'll either see you there or back at home. See you later. Say bye, Emmy. Emmy, say bye. See you later.
Hi, dreamers.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We're gonna finally do our slime. Emmy has been impatient for the past hours now. She's just been screaming and yelling, talking about she want to do slime. So I think it's time we finally do it. Ready, Mom?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Emmy?
Ready? She's drinking her juice. Give her a second.
Is Eisen ready? Eisen's sleeping.
No, I'm awake.
Eisen's
Are you awake?
Okay.
All right, you ready, baby? I'm gonna open it.
Yeah. Look, he did it.
He's asleep.
Yeah! Oh my god.
Instructions. Do we need it?
I think so. I don't know how to make slime. Okay.
Daddy,
Okay.
I want to do slime.
You want the blue slime?
Number one rule, Emmy. Listen, do not eat the slime.
Yeah, no.
Don't eat the slime, kids.
Yeah. Everything's slime. Everything's slime, guys.
Okay.
You want the blue one?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Emmy wants the blue. She's been yelling, saying she wants blue. Mommy, I'm pretty sure, is gonna want purple.
Yes, because it's my favorite color.
Mommy.
And then Daddy's gonna take
Daddy want red.
red. Yep. Good job.
I want blue.
You want the blue glitter? All right. Emmy wants the blue glitter.
I want.
Oh, we need warm water.
We need water.
You need water? Oh,
Let me
he's
get water. Be back.
Mom, he's water there. There.
I think you might want to choose a different color glitter, baby, so they can go with your color, with your slime.
It's okay.
Mommy.
Here's mommy. Mommy. One is glitter. Oh, this is mine. This is daddy.
Daddy's gonna use this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mommy want to use this.
Here, mommy use the red one.
Mom, use the red one.
Okay.
And then, are you gonna use these?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Daddy use purple.
You want me to use purple and gold? Do you need to measure the amount of water?
Mommy, you need water there. Need spoon.
Does it come with a measuring cup? It does. Hold on, baby. Not yet. Not yet.
Mom, here's the water from you. Mom, here's the water.
Okay. So first, hold on, Emmy. We're gonna do
Water.
5 ml of slime.
And you had to do water.
Hold up, babe. Hold up. Do it again. Okay,
You
go.
do this.
Okay. So first, we have to do
Water.
water.
Yeah.
5 ml of
No.
water. Okay.
Spoon water.
You want me to use a spoon? Okay, it's faster this way, baby. Let's do it this way. Let's see.
No, no, leave it.
Hold on, I have to put the water.
Yeah.
Put it inside
Put it in your plate.
in your plate. No, put the water in your plate.
Put the water in the plate, baby.
Okay.
Okay, how to make it?
Not yet. Wait for mommy, okay?
Mommy, did that you
And then 5 mLs for daddy.
Why, Mom?
Okay, now where's the white glue? This is the white glue.
No.
Do we have to measure this one?
Yes. 15 millimeters of
Slime?
glue.
Of glue, I mean. Whoops.
Oh, is it not open? Let's see. It's not.
Mommy, Mom,
Yes.
how to use this? Mom, how to use this?
We are. Hold on.
Ew.
Forgot how to use glue.
I know, right? I touched it with my finger.
Ah,
Hold on, I can't see.
Don't move it, baby. Don't move it, okay?
Oh.
Put it in your plate.
Get it all out of there. Okay, use the stick. Use the stick to get it out. Like this.
Let me go put icing down. Daddy, put another 15 in here.
Okay, you do it.
When you do it, you want me to do it? You just want to play with the slime, huh? Alright, now it's time for 15 for mommy.
15, mommy.
Yep. I can see it. I can't see.
Okay. I don't have to look at
You want to hold it? Alright, but I gotta put it on the table so I can see, okay? Alright, wait.
Is back?
Yes, I'm back.
Mom, and how do you do yours?
We're doing the white glue, right?
Yeah. Alright, 15 for mommy. Give it to mommy.
And then this.
You need that?
No, Mom, you need this.
Emmy's always wanting to help somebody. She doesn't care who it is, she just always wants to help. Right, Emmy? You want to do slime?
No, I'm just like that. Just
I
like
can't see the numbers.
Yeah, I had trouble.
Okay.
I need to get
I feel like this water's gonna dry out.
Here. This one's for Daddy. Help Daddy put it.
You wanna help me put it? Where's the stick? I need the stick.
Right here.
Right? Thank you. Oh, you're such a big helper. Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
No,
actually,
see,
it was
look.
actually 21 mLs of water.
Okay, done. Done.
So you put 5. 21 mLs.
Mm-hmm. So 16 more mLs. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see the cup again.
Guys, so it was technically 21 mLs of water.
And 5
Find this.
activator.
And do this. And how to do one.
Emmy, what are you doing?
Thanks, Mommy. Oh.
So mommy's just adding whatever she didn't put in already. She's not adding any extra. Emmy is though. Emmy loves that.
We're gonna put the activator now.
Emmy. How much of the activator?
5, which is what I mixed up earlier. Oh, it's all leaky. No, I didn't fart.
Yes, she did. I wonder what this is for. Ooh, for what? You don't even know what you need it for. Hold up. Let me see. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome.
So now
We have to mix it.
we mix it.
This game is okay.
Ooh, Emmy's a good mixer. You don't have to add anything? Okay, go ahead.
After mixing it, then you add the glitter. Oh, it's stuck. Ask an adult for help if you do need it.
Okay, then.
Daddy's a top 5 chef, so he knows how to do this.
Mom, I need this.
Look, Emmy's like making eggs. Yummy, you gotta have it like this. You want Daddy to help you? Yeah? Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's not use the spoon.
I think I might need more glue. Let's just add more glue. Let's just do
what we
Let's
want
just
to
do whatever, right? Come on, let's add more glue.
Oh, I need my glue.
Careful, don't spill it. Ready? Yeah, okay, I think that's good.
Okay, that's good. Can you do
Yeah, sure, I wanted more glue.
More activator.
Mommy, can you open this, Mom? Can you open this?
That's sneeze. Hold on.
Mommy,
Glitter.
no,
Ooh,
Bless you.
thank you.
You need more water?
I think that's it. I mean, that's enough.
I mean, she dropped most of her water, so I think she's ready to add more.
Here, let's put some glitter. Careful. You can put her down, Chris. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. It's okay, we can play it.
Can I get some more water?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Daddy, this. Dad.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna go check on Isaac. I'll be right back.
Mix it in. Mix it in. You gotta mix it, baby. You gonna add the coloring? Look, Daddy's gonna add the coloring.
Yeah, me too.
It's right here.
Isaac wanted to join us.
Help. Hold up. I think we should probably use the stick. Let's use the stick down here. Pull it. Pull it off. Pull it off. Ah. Okay. Ready? Is that wet? I think you might need more glue. She has too much water. Ooh, you're really sparkly, huh? Okay, let it go. If Emmy's not doing it, she's upset. I think Daddy's doing that okay. Look, Emmy. You got it on your face? Ew. Okay, we clean it up afterwards.
That's a lot of glitter, Emmy.
It's never enough glitter, Mom.
Okay. I think that's good, Emmy. One more time. Look at your hands.
I think you guys made slime and I didn't. I made it just a puddle. think we should try to make this, but like, not like. Oh my God, Emmy, show the creamers your hand.
They're so purple and sparkly. Let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Daddy's didn't come out like yours. You actually made it. Try to rub it in. Try to rub in the rest of that. There you go. Rub it in there. Yeah, get up in there, girl. Yeah. Now squeeze it. You want to mix yours with mommy? Yeah. And this is the part of the video where things just go crazy. Are you itchy? It does look like putty. Except for putty. Except for putty doesn't do all this.
Doesn't stretch like that.
Putty's more like clay, but it does look like
Your slime. It's so cool. You're making a mess of sparkles. What color is that? Yeah, you're right.
purple and what? Oh, Daddy mixes.
Okay, guys, let us know in the comments whose slime is better. Dad's? Let's see yours.
Dad's technically mom's.
Or
Emmy.
Emmy. Let's see your slime. Whoa.
I made better slime. Right, Emmy?
It doesn't have anything in there.
Daddy took mommy's slime.
Don't play with mommy's slime.
Then I don't have slime.
Yeah, you do.
Where?
Here. Okay, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Say bye, dreamers. See you soon.